In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly add Lorem Ipsum images in Figma. As designers, we often need to populate our layouts with placeholder images to get a feel for the visual balance and flow before the final assets are ready. Figma makes this process incredibly simple and efficient, especially when working on wireframes, mockups, or prototypes. This method saves you a lot of time by preventing the need to search for, download, and manually import temporary images. To begin, our very first step is to add a shape onto your Figma canvas. This shape will act as a container or placeholder for the image we're about to insert. You can choose any shape you like, such as a rectangle, ellipse, or even a custom shape. For most common scenarios, the rectangle tool is a great choice. You can easily select it from the toolbar at the top of your screen, or use the keyboard shortcut R to quickly activate it. Once selected, simply click and drag on your canvas to draw out your desired shape. Don't worry too much about the exact image you'll use just yet. The key here is to establish the space and dimensions that your future image will occupy within your design. Feel free to adjust its size and position to fit your layout needs before moving on. This foundational step ensures we have a canvas for our Lorem Ipsum image to land on. Once you have your shape ready and selected on the canvas, it's time to bring in our placeholder image. The next step involves using a powerful feature within Figma: plugins. Head up to the top menu bar, where you'll find an option labeled Plugins. Click on this to reveal a drop-down menu of all the plugins you have installed. From this list, you'll want to locate and click on the Lorem Ipsum plugin. If you don't already have a Lorem Ipsum image plugin installed, you might need to quickly search for one in the Figma community and install it first. These plugins are designed specifically to generate and insert various types of placeholder content, including images, making your design workflow significantly faster. Clicking on the plugin will typically open a small window or panel, presenting you with various options for placeholder content. Finally, with the Lorem Ipsum plugin window open, your last step is to simply choose an image. Within the plugin's interface, you'll typically see a selection of various placeholder images. These can range from abstract patterns to landscapes, portraits, or other generic images, all designed to give a visual representation without conveying specific content. Browse through the available options and click on the image that best suits the aesthetic or mood you're aiming for in your design.